Here's how to complete a factory reset of the Avanti SDO4 Euro lift opener. First, open the door all the way. Turn the opener off at the power. As you turn the power back on, briefly hold the red learn button in for approximately 5 seconds, then release. Your opener display will scroll through a few different codes. When it settles on LL, press the white light on the base of the opener, which will be flashing. Your door will close, then open, then close all by itself. Let it do this. On the last close of the door, the factory reset is complete and your door will function as it should.